another vlog, and today, well, it's the same as it's the same as the other vlog, which is called, I don't know what it's called, I don't remember, but yeah, first vlog in a while, but I said I will show you a surprise about one of the birds, well, my bird. And I just thought, just give it away. We've got another one. Do you want to see? Hey. So here's one. Oh gosh, you're in the what? Please move. So we've got one here. This is now that's the new one. Zoom. Yeah. Okay, so if I go here. The one, where's my finger? There, you'll just blur it up, is the new one, the one there. Now I've blurred up with my finger. Okay, wait, the one nearest this side, where my finger is the old one. The new one is the one on the left side. Now it's just flown. Hi, say hi. So that was sort of the surprise, but first vlog I could have did it on my other one. Otherwise that's zoomed in. Wait, it's on this side. Yeah, look at that pimple. Yo. So that was just a mini 1 minute, now 2 minutes vlog type thing. We will start doing more like different daily vlogs and stuff. Just be easier, wouldn't it? But no editing for a while till 13, 14. I don't know why, I'm just picking out a random age. What is that? What cover on my face? Oh. No. Okay. So yeah, I'll see you maybe tomorrow or something. Oh no, my battery's dying. So like, see you next video. See you guys. Peace out.